This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming placement and power so the machine runs safely. First, level the washer using the adjustable feet. A wobble causes noise and wear. Next, attach hot and cold hoses firmly, then open both taps and inspect for drips. Tighten if needed. Finally, plug in and leave the drum empty for the initial cycle to flush manufacturing residues. Once done, proceed without delay to select the correct program and add detergent. This setup prevents early issues. You now set the wash parameters for a safe first cycle. Start with a cotton or normal program at 40 degrees because it cleans well and is gentle on seals, and choose a moderate spin speed to balance cleanliness and vibration. Measure detergent per the label. Overuse causes residue and smells. Load a few mixed items up to about 80% of drum capacity so water circulates. Once loaded, confirm door is latched and press start. Monitor the first 5 minutes to ensure filling and draining behave normally. You're finishing the process and ensuring longevity. When the cycle ends, open the door and remove laundry promptly, then leave the door slightly open to let the drum air out and avoid mildew. Make it a habit to inspect the inlet hoses and pump filter regularly. Tighten fittings and clear lint or coins from the filter. If the machine fails to drain or makes loud noises, pause and rebalance the load. Check that the drain hose isn't kinked or too high, and then restart the program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.